How to access CapCut Space on mobile? Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application CapCut. Once you're in the home page of CapCut, move into your profile icon at the bottom right corner. You have to make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you're in here, click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Head over to Manage Accounts. Make sure that you are linked to any of these accounts. Once you have been linked, now go back and head over to your project section and click on Space right here. In order to create a new space, tap on this plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Create Space. Enter the name for your space. You can also choose a theme. Once selected, tap on Create and Invite Members at the bottom of the screen. After that, your space will be created on CapCut, and you will also have the access to it. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.